Boy B. I just want to give you guys some context for what you guys are about to watch. First and foremost, thank everybody for coming on board. If this is your first time, we're here to give you knowledge on men's health, men's grooming. But back to the topic at hand. My barber showcase is going to demonstrate to you guys the difference between trimming and cutting. I get a lot of questions from you guys on this particular topic of just trimming, when to trim, what's the difference, what tools. She's gonna break down what the difference. She's gonna actually show you exactly what the difference is. And then also you guys can watch my video. I may put it here or may put it at the end, and that way you guys can know when you should trim, because I get that question all the time. So you would also get what tools you would need to use to trim or cut. So if you're getting what's the difference between trimming and cutting, you also getting what tools you should use, and then thirdly, you also would get some guidance on when you should trim and when you should cut. So with that, I think that'll set us up right, CC? That's good. Right. Hey, CC, she signed off on it. So, guys, with that said, let's get right into the video.
So, what's the challenge, in your perspective, in terms of like guys who don't want to cut their beard? Is it because of this idea that longer is better, and if it's stringy, that means that, I don't know, it just...
For women, same thing for women. A lot of women, when you say, I need to clip your ends,
yeah,
they don't want you to, they think you're gonna cut
it.
I'm not cutting it.
Right,
I'm
right.
just trimming it.
And there's a difference.
Yeah, there's a complete difference.
What's the difference between cutting it and trimming?
The hairs that are not together, that they're loose,
Mm-hmm.
those are your ends. I clip that. If I wanted to cut, that's a cut. Me just chopping it off, I'll chop all that off.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what needs to be cut. That's my guideline.
And does it grow back, that it makes the hair stronger?
Yeah.
With you, okay.
Because it's kind of like a tree, like when you're pruning a plant,
Mm-hmm.
and it starts to split, I need to take off the stuff that's creating the breakage.
Mm-hmm.
So I cut that off, and that's whole. That's all it does. I'm cutting a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, like, we're plants, basically.
Mm-hmm.
What you eat is gonna come out of here. Your whole skin color is gonna change. Everything's gonna change. Your texture of your skin is gonna change.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're doing, when you trim the ends, like, I'm just gonna shape it because it's already shaped.
Mm-hmm. Oh, who shaped me? You know it. No.
I'm gonna open this up all the way.
Why are you using the clippers versus the shears?
I use the shears for more detail.
Okay.
This is to cut more of the bulk.
Gotcha, okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Show is so knowledgeable. But if you guys are still like, you like, yo, B, I still don't understand. If you watched the videos where I give you 3 tips on when you should be trimming your beard, and if you're still like lost, make sure you guys leave that comment in the bottom, and we can try to work on trying to bring more clarity to this particular topic, because I'm seeing that this is a topic that everybody has a question about all the time. So make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you press on that like and share this with someone who may not be as informed as you are. And then don't forget that in the description, if you're looking for any products, or if you have any other questions, and you can text me, all that stuff is in the description. You can follow us on all of our other social media platforms. That's in the description as well. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer than I have. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for just sharing your time with me, and also just being a part of the community. As always, this is your boy B. That's your girl C. And Martell is over there somewhere doing his thing. Deuces.